So I bet you watched the Redmi Note 11 series launch in Malaysia last few weeks ago, and today with me here is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. So with the price tag of 1,299 ringgit, is it worth to buy? I'm Joshua C. Let's check it out. We got the graphite grey color variant. I'm a little disappointed because I wish I had the Anantic blue color instead. But don't get me wrong, the whole outlook design is really nice. It has this boxy squarish design with flat top, bottom and side plus rounded edges. Just makes it really nice to hold on to. On the back cover, it's a glass surface with some reflections when the lights shine through it. Nice. And I noticed recently the boxy design has become a trend. On the display, you got a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits of peak brightness. So in terms of the brightness and color accuracy here, I find it quite nice, especially with the thin bezels and also the tiny little selfie dot here. It makes it look expensive. While the Redmi Note 11 uses a MediaTek Helio chipset, this Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G uses the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So to me, for a mid-range phone like this, the performance for daily usage, gaming, I think it's pretty good enough. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos feature, so it's quite good and loud. 5000 mAh battery with a whopping 67 watt of turbo charge. So battery usage and charging is not a problem. And for the cameras, it may seem like it has a lot of lenses here, but look closely, zoom in. It actually has only a triple rear camera setup. 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front, you got a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The pictures are decent, color saturations are just nice and natural, not as pale as before. During the night, you need to turn on the night mode for a better shot and not so grainy. But for the video, you only get to shoot up to 1080p in 30 frames per second. Selfies are alright too. So overall, this is a pretty good mid-range phone, to be honest. Just that with the price tag of 1,299 ringgit, it might have a lot of competition around it. So let me know what you think about the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G here in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.